Welcome to our channel, The Coder Lakshya. And today we are going to learn about while loops in Python. So let's get started. First of all, let us see what did we learn in the previous video. So we learned about loops, for loops, range and break. And now we are going to learn about while loop. So what is a while loop? A while loop allows a code to be executed repeatedly depending on whether a condition is satisfied or not. Okay. So the syntax to write a while loop is first we have to write while and then condition and then colon. This colon is mandatory. Then the code. Okay. Like while snitch not caught, then continue playing. Okay. Now, and this is how a while loop is written. It is executed till the time condition becomes false. Okay. Now, while loop is executed till the time condition becomes false. Counter is equals to 1. Like, for example, I have taken a variable counter is equals to 1. So, its initial value is 1. Now, while counter is lesser than or is equals to 5, colon, then print hi Harry dot good day. Okay, now stop. Now, counter plus is equals to 1. It means after every execution, it will plus 1 to the value of counter. Let me show you. New file. Now counter is equals to 1. Now while counter is lesser than or is equals to 5, print I Lakshya. So now here I have taken a variable naming counter and its value is 1. Okay, now I have given a command to my laptop that run this statement until this condition becomes false. Okay, now counter plus is equals to 1. It means after every execution it will plus 1 to the value of counter. Now save while. Okay, save and now run. Hi Lakshya, hi Lakshya, hi Lakshya. 5 times. Okay. Now break. This can be used to break from the loop, even if condition is true. Okay. I also told about this in my previous video. Now, now we are going to do an activity. Time to brew some magic potion. Arrange all the 5 ingredients required for the potion and take out the exact measurement of the ingredients. Ingredient 5, 5 pieces. Ingredient 4, 4 pieces. Ingredient 3, 3 pieces. Ingredient 2, 2 pieces. Ingredient 1, 1 piece. So now we have to print like this using a for loop. Print this using a for loop. Okay. While loop, sorry. We have to print this using a while loop. So now, first I will take a variable number is equals to 5. Okay. Now while number is equals to is greater than or is equals to 0, print ingredient number dash number comma sorry, number number minus is equals to 1. Now save and now run. Ingredient 5, 5 pieces. Ingredient 4, 4 pieces. And now 0, 0 pieces. If I write 1 here, now save and now run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is printing like this. So let me explain you the code. Here I have taken a variable naming number and its value is 5. Now I have taken a while loop. While number is greater than or is equals to 1, it will print ingredient, then the number, then minus, then dash, then number, and then pieces. That's why it is printing. First, it is printing ingredients, then number. The value of number is 5 first, and then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, and then 0. So it's printing 5, then dash, then 5, and then pieces. Okay. Now, our next activity is add all the 5 ingredients required for the portion. Ingredient 1, 1 piece. Ingredient 2, 2 piece. Now we have to print backwards. Okay. So now the number of value should be, the value of number should be 1. Here 5, number here plus. Now save and now run. Wait a minute. Save and now run. Sorry, is lesser than. Okay. Lesser than. Now save and now run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's also working fine. Now our next activity is keep stirring till the time bubbles are formed. User input 0 if no bubbles is formed, 1 if bubble is formed. So now we have to take input from the user. If the user enters 1, then we will break the loop, and if the user enters 0, then we will not break the loop. Okay. So now first we will take choice. Now I will take input enter 0 if the 1 if the bubbles are formed, otherwise enter 0. Okay. Now while choice is equals to 1, and now 1 keeps stirring till the time bubbles are formed. User input 0 if no bubbles are formed. Okay. So we have to write this choice in this while loop. Yeah. So now print stirring. Now while true. Here we have to write while true. So if we will write this true, then it will keep running this loop until we write break. Okay. So now choice is equal to this, and now we have to write a condition if choice is equals to 1, then break, else 1. Sorry, I have to write double quotes here. because we are taking input as a string. Now else print string. Okay, now save and now run. Now 0 0 0 1 break. Okay, so it's also working. Now our next activity is keep the quotient to rest. You can start serving it only when the user enters the secret code. Secret code is 444. Now you can give a clue to the user for the secret code. So we will not give a clue. Okay, so we will write in this file only code is equals to 444. Now I will write while true. Now input is equals in inp is equals to input enter the secret code. Okay, now I will write int here because I have to convert this whole input into integer form. Now I write if code is equals to if inp is equals to code, then it will print start serving. Okay, and now else print you the code you entered is incorrect. Okay, and now then click. So now here we have to write break. Now I will save it and now run. And the secret code. So I am writing 567. The code you entered is incorrect. So now 444 start serving. So it's also working. Now our next activity is serve the magic potion prepared in equal quantities. Get as input quantity and number of people to be served. So we will take a variable quantity is equals to input enter the quantity of potion in liters. Now no potions is equals to int. We will write int here because we have to convert this into integer value. Then input. Now enter the number of persons. Of persons. Now now I will write print entity slash number persons. in this program we don't have to write a for while loop. Okay, now save and now done. Full screen. Let me cancel it and now then I will run it. Well, so I will write 2 uh, 5 liters. Okay, and number of persons is 2. So 2.5 liter to each person. So now we will see what did we learn today. So we learned about while loop and break. So I hope that you got to know something new today. Please like this video and share this with your friends and family. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you want to learn Python in Hindi, then I have a separate channel for that. The name of the channel is the Lakshya Hindi. So please check out that channel too. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.